guys, welcome back to my channel. So I look like crap. I tried to film this video earlier, but I guess it's just gonna have to be like a vlog style right now. I filmed a grocery haul and my memory card said memory card error. And apparently when it says that, it doesn't save any of your footage that you just filmed. So I went grocery shopping today and I just wanted to show you guys a few things that I got as a little haul. So to start, we have the snack section. So this is what we have here. Gatorade. Gotta have Gatorade. He loves Gatorade. We are obsessed with these Doritos. These are amazing, and we usually top it and mix it with, actually, it's out, I'll put it away. This right here, oh, that's a terrible bottle. Okay, we're gonna use the new one. This right here, this on Doritos is amazing. Gonzalo taught me this, and now I just taught you guys. So these two mixed together in that order. You'll thank me later. While I'm in the fridge, I'll just do the fridge stuff. So right now we are obsessed with orange juice. I get the Simply orange juice. This is the high pulp one. Amazing. I bought 2 of those because, you know. French vanilla coffee creamer. This is a staple in our everyday life. So this is a must constantly. This will be gone in a week. Along with this is one of our favorite juices. This is the Minute Maid Fruit Punch. Obsessed with this. So good. With the Doritos and stuff, we like to use the Tostitos scoops, and with that we pair it with this guy right here. This is the chunky Tostitos salsa in medium, and then we just have some regular pretzels to snack on. Also in the fridge, we get bagels, like our own bagels, and this is the kind of cream cheese we use. This is the Philadelphia spicy jalapeno. This stuff is delicious. I'm about to make a bagel right now for dinner. And then for making sandwiches, this is the deli meat. This is the store sliced Black Bear turkey. I grew up on turkey sandwiches, so I'm constantly making them. Another thing is pre-cut sliced veggies. These go with my chicken dish that I like to make. So it's this, along with chicken tenderloins, which I also bought. So you chop these up, mix in the vegetables, and then also, I'll show you in a second the sauce that I like to mix with it, and I'll show you the stuff in the pantry. So the sauce I mix with it is this one. This is from Campbell's. The Campbell's Oven Creamy Butter Garlic. And I make it literally just like this, just all mixed together in a pan like that. And the potatoes I use for that, which I also bought in my grocery haul, are these. These are the Dutch Yellow Peewee potatoes. These are so good, and they have that buttery flavor. So you just cut these in half and roast them in the same pan. What else did I buy? Sorry, I'm just gonna flip the camera. I also bought these right here. These are the best pancakes you will ever eat in your life. These are the Kodiak pancakes. These are in dark chocolate. Amazing. Amazing. And if you're wondering why I look like crap, it's because I just got out of work and I took off all my makeup and took a shower. But yeah, so that's that. Also, we have avocados. Bought some avocados. Also bought some white bread. This is not a healthy grocery haul at all. This is the cheapest one. This is the store-bought one. And then these are the bagels. There's an everything bagels from ShopRite. If you don't know what ShopRite is, it's a local grocery store in the Northeast. I think they're in New York, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania. What else did I get? So we also got, let's see, our veggies. These veggies are really, really good. So these are just steamed, again, store brand, steam in the bag, broccoli, sugar, snap peas, and carrots. This I make with just regular chicken that I make on the stove. We also have, oh, I don't want things to fall. We also have this bad boy that I'm dying to try. This is the Stouffer's lasagna meat and sauce. It says with 100% pure beef, herb seasoned sauce, and real mozzarella cheese, large for a family. I bought the large one even though there's 2 of us because I know we can eat this entire thing. And then I have just my regular meats. I get the Purdue chicken tenderloins. I do like these are the chicken breasts, but they're just so thick and I think they're a little bit drier. And then we just have some ground beef right here. Can't go wrong, there's only one left, see, because I have them in the oven for Gonzalo right now, the Elios. And last but not least, we have this. This guy is the Voila chicken and garlic mixture that you just put on the stove. It is so, so good. I'm obsessed. One day, here's just a little overview of everything that I got. But yeah, I really am really upset about how my other video did not turn out well. I'm really, really annoyed about that. I went to go edit it and I'm missing part of the video. So this is what I'm working with, and I really wanted to get this up for you guys because I don't want it to all be eaten before I can refilm it, and I don't want to wait to refilm it. So yeah, that was my little grocery haul. Nothing fancy, nothing special, nothing healthy. Some healthy, but not a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more hauls or grocery hauls or Target hauls or any kind of haul, I'm down to do that. And I can even do like a cooking video if you guys want on any of these like little recipes. I'll probably film myself making that chicken dish. That way you guys could see how it's made and everything if you want to try to make it yourself. So with that being said, in this terrible lighting, I hope you guys somewhat enjoyed this video. I know it's Thursday and I did not upload on Wednesday. Wednesday was a really busy, kind of crazy day. We were at the airport dropping off family members at 1 in the morning and didn't come back till 5, so we were exhausted. So we slept and basically did nothing the entire day. So yeah, video's going up today, this grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to get notified for when I post videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.